Can you pay using EBT card at the grocery store? Today we are going to talk about if you can pay using EBT card at the grocery store. So the process is pretty simple. You simply have to go to any of the grocery store wherever you want to buy something. And then there should be an option or there should be a tag written like there should be a advertisement for the Snap. So if you can see the Snap logo somewhere, which means they do accept the EBT card. However, you can ask any of the person there as well if you guys accept EBT as well. If they do, just simply let them know that you will be paying using the EBT and they won't have any problem at the checkout. If you want to do the Walmart self checkout, you just have to go to the Walmart app, and then here you will easily be able to add your EBT card here, and then you can pay using your Walmart self checkout or the app as well. So it totally depends upon you and totally depends upon the grocery store where you go. So most of those does support EBT, so you won't have any problem with that. So that's pretty much it. That's how you'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.